investment is a function largely of savings, or it should be. If we do not have a savings culture, it becomes very difficult for us to participate meaningfully in investments. And that is why I have been on the case of trying to work with the entities that exist like Nssf and the others. We all seated in this room know that it was decided maybe 30 years ago that you will save 10% of your earnings, but it was put a cap of to the extent of 200 shillings. So up to today, majority of the people on the roll of Nssf are paying 200 shillings. And it is ridiculous. We just got a ruling from the court a week ago that it is wrong for us to increase from 200 shillings. I find that so, and I have had a conversation with the board and management of Nssf, and we have agreed that we need to go and talk to the court again to ask them, surely, do we live in the same country? Because Nssf are telling me progressively it's getting to be more expensive to collect the 200 shillings. We may as well forget about it.